gentlemen, it is Traeger Terri here, signing in for the first time. I thought might as well film it, momentous occasion, the arrival of my brand new and first ever Traeger. It has arrived today, fresh off the truck. So this is the Ranger. I have aptly named him Randy, so it's going to be Randy the Ranger, and he's going to be accompanying me on all of my Traeger journeys, from novice to potentially best barbecue person ever. So stick around, check out what's in this bad boy. We're going to go through some of the features, and then following that, week after week, potentially month after month, we're going to start exploring some recipes. So let's throw some random stuff on here, see what masterpieces we can make, see what we can burn. It's going to be fun. Stick around. Let's get in this bad boy. For this task, you will need a pair of scissors. No, I didn't do a very good job at that. Hold on. Cardboard! He's in here somewhere. Be careful with this bit because I'm assuming something important. Really heavy skillet device for cooking. That is heavy. That's gonna hurt to drop. That's useless. There he is. Randy! That's him. I actually genuinely need assistance. Video man, help me. Alright, I get rid of that. Oh. No.
That might be because I can't get a grip on it.
So, it's quite hard to grip when you pull it out of the box, so I would suggest scissors. Oh god, even the box. Ta-da! In plastic. Oh, more boxes.
If you just pull the boxes.
Thank you. A magazine, presumably the instructions. Oh, it's a screwdriver. Oh, this feels a bit heavy. But there's a grill in there. Can you see? I don't know if that comes out. Okay, so let's take a little look at the less technical side of things with our little extra boxes, which I presume is my handle. For this, again, you will need some handy scissors. Oh, it's some kind of cup. With plastic things and screws. I don't see that on the picture. Okay, so it's some kind of... Oh, it's a little tin, I don't know. Okay, so these might be legs. Really tiny, stubby legs. So small. My handle! So I'm guessing this is what the screwdriver is for in my Ranger Owner's manual. Another box. Grill. I don't want to give it away, but it feels like a grill. It's a grill! So yeah, so to go with my skillet looking thing, I got a grill looking thing when everything's set up. Oh yeah. Magic. Ranger Owner's manual, that's me, that's now me. So this is some quality cellophane. So we have our Traeger screwdriver and a probe to probe meaty things, presumably. Always start the grill with the lid closed, top tip. That's how to get started. I'm probably going to get started with that and see what it looks like when it's finished with its tiny little 1/2 inch legs. that was easy, in super quick motion. This thing is it's for the grease that comes out the back, but we'll get into that later. So this is it, assembled Randy. As you can see, my grill and my Traeger skillet plate thing are in here. Now what's left to do really is turn him on and see how this dashboard thing lights up, and maybe have a fiddle with some of the buttons and see what happens. So yeah, video 2 coming soon. What should I cook? Might start with a fried egg. Might go for a bit of toast. I don't know. Catch up soon, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you know what to expect now when you unpack your own Ranger. You can call yours Randy too if you want. I don't mind. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.